My name is Dawn LaFleur, and I am the vegetation biologist here at Glacier National Park. And today we hosted the Noxious Weed Blitz, which is a day that we spend educating volunteers that come out here that sign up for the day. And they come here and we talk about 4 to 5 noxious weeds that we focus on, and we talk about those key characteristics that make them invasive plants. And then in the afternoon we actually go out into the field and hand pull. So today we had a group of about 45 people that showed up for the Noxious Weed Blitz, and we had a variety of different groups. We had a group of Boy Scouts from Bozeman, Montana, and we had another larger group that consisted of Whitefish Center for Conservation and Entrepreneurship who are here. So they are interns that we have done as part of a grant through the Glacier National Park Conservancy. So thank you, Conservancy, for funding those folks. So one of their days in the park was actually participating in our Noxious Weed Blitz. And then we had a variety of folks that came in. We had private landowners that were just interested, from the local community that were interested in learning more about noxious weeds. And then we also had folks that were visitors that had heard about it, coming all the way from Texas. We had some from San Francisco that were interested in just doing some sort of community service, and they heard about it while they were visiting here and decided to help us pull some noxious weeds. So the noxious weeds we focused on today were spotted knapweed, oxeye daisy, St. John's wort, and hound's tongue. And today when we were out in the field, we saw 3 out of the 4. So we had quite a bit of spotted knapweed, and we had lots and lots and lots of oxeye daisy on the bike path, as well as some St. John's wort. We also found on the trail, that is unusual this year, but because the vegetation is really late, 2 to 3 weeks late because of the cold and wet spring, we found some orange hawkweed as well as some of the yellow hawkweed out on the trail. So we had a good afternoon of pulling weeds, got quite a few bags pulled, and had a really good successful turnout. And again, this is sponsored the Glacier National Park Conservancy, who came and helped us today and participated in the whole day, but they also provided lunch for us today. So we really appreciate the support. A big thank you to all of our volunteers who showed up today, the participants in our Noxious Weed Blitz. It was a great turnout, and really, really appreciative of people paying attention, asking really good questions, learning why invasive plants are such a concern, especially in a native plant environment as we have here in Glacier National Park, where we're trying to preserve and protect our natural resources. So very appreciative of everybody helping us spread the word and getting the word out there about noxious weeds and their impact on the environment.